To convert BNB to USDT, you will need to use a cryptocurrency exchange platform that supports both BNB and USDT. First, create an account on a reputable exchange such as Binance, Kraken, or Huobi. Once your account is created, verify your identity to ensure you can withdraw and deposit funds without any restrictions. Next, deposit your BNB into the exchange by going to the deposit section and selecting BNB as the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. You will then receive a deposit address where you can send your BNB from your external wallet. Wait for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain before proceeding. After your BNB has been deposited, navigate to the trading section of the exchange and select the BNB USDT trading pair. This will take you to a page where you can view the current market price of BNB in USDT and place a trade. Choose the type of trade you want to make, either a market order or a limit order. A market order will execute the trade immediately at the current market price, while a limit order will execute the trade at a specific price you set. Enter the amount of BNB you want to convert to USDT and confirm the trade. The exchange will then execute the trade and convert your BNB to USDT. You can view your new USDT balance in your account wallet. It is essential to note that cryptocurrency prices can be volatile, and the price of BNB in USDT may fluctuate rapidly. Always check the current market price before making a trade and consider setting a limit order to get the best possible price. Additionally, be aware of the fees associated with trading on the exchange, as these can eat into your profits. Look for exchanges with low fees and consider using a trading bot or a reputable broker to help you make the most of your trades. Finally, once you have converted your BNB to USDT, you can withdraw your USDT to an external wallet or use it to trade for other cryptocurrencies on the exchange. Always prioritize security when handling cryptocurrency transactions, and never leave large amounts of funds on an exchange for extended periods.